Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. Today I am going to show you how to change your blog site title and blog site URL. So I'm starting, and one thing I am going to show this on Blogger site. Here I am in Blogger site. Sign in. If you have a Blogger account, and you have to sign in or you have to sign up. So I have an account in Blogger. So I have two blog sites here, one for test purpose. So I'm going to change the title of this blog site, and for that, you have to go to setting. Here is title. Just click on it. I want to short this name, just self-test. Okay, just save it. Okay, it's saved. And now I am going to short the URL of this blog site. That is blogger address, just here. Okay, save. Not after setting, try again. The subdomain name is not available. So it's a test for me. Yes, it's okay. selftestforme.blogspot.com. So here's the tip how to change blog site title and the URL. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.